Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Saurabh Singh and today I am going to talk about Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, who is now being trapped into drugs case and all these things you know already. So without doing any further delay, I am coming into the main point that this is not about the Aryan Khan's son drug case, and I know he's in some point he may be fault because he has been caught by the NCB in unwanted activities, and there may have been some evidence about him that how they used to take drugs and all the chat on WhatsApp and everything. You know it already. Today I am going to tell you that as I understand, many of the druggists who use drugs, how they fall into this trap in this drug addiction, how they trap. That's what I am going to tell you. This is not about Aryan Khan's drug case because he's the son of Shah Rukh Khan and he's taking drugs. He has been using charas for many times for 4 years. All these things have broadcasted on the television through media. The main thing behind it is that how smuggler trap rich man's son into it because they know if I catch small fish, then his hunger may erase for some days. But if he catch big fish, then he can erase his hunger for lifelong. Just understand what I mean to tell you. So drug smugglers thinks that if he catch rich man's son, if he pick up rich man's son, then his business will nourished for long time. Okay, that's why he catch rich man's sons because drug smugglers knows if he catch middle class family sons, he has limited resource, he has limited money, he has so many restrictions by their families. That's why that's why that's why he trap rich man's sons so that they can sell their sell their products for long time. Okay, so the whole character is here of drugs smuggler. This is not only the Aryan Khan because he is the son of Shah Rukh Khan. Then media is going to broadcast him daily for getting TRP. You know already about it. How media business. This is not the new thing, but the main thing is if a poor man, if a middle class son is taking drugs, if he may caught, then the drugs smuggler business is going to stop. Okay, but if he catch rich man's sons, then his business will nourish for long time. Okay, will run for long time. You can also say it. That's why they trap rich man's son into it. Okay, everybody knows that different people gets mature, different youth gets mature in different age. If a man whose son is if a man is poor, whose son can get mature in his early life, because he will have so many responsibility, he will have so many burden, so many pressure, so he will get mature in early age. But a person who is and rich and who have lots of money, whose son can get mature late. Okay, because he have no pressure, he have no burden, he have no no any other responsibility. So he used to do fun, and at that time of fun, some unwanted people look at him and they catch him, they trap him into their personal profit. That's what I want to say. Thank you so much for this, for seeing my video. Please do subscribe. Okay, I will come another day with a different topic. Till now, goodbye.